Okay, guys. Today we are going to discuss what is cloud computing. Okay. Then what are benefits of cloud computing? Then what is meant by cloud computing service models? Then we are going to discuss about deployment models. Then finally, what is AWS? Okay, this is today agenda. Okay, what is meant by first cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but on-demand delivery services with pay-as-you-go. With pay-as-you-go. I mean, no need to write the what notes is today also, because Monday we will start the what the original classes. I mean, along with running notes and everything will start parallelly Monday only. Okay, today also I will give the complete introduction about cloud computing. What is meant by cloud computing? So cloud computing meaning is on-demand delivery services with pay-as-you-go pricing. The top advantage in the cloud computing, people can manage the resources anywhere in the world because the service is delivered over the internet. So customer anywhere in the world, they will connect and manage the what resources. Like what are the resources? Instances are the resources, storage is the resource, database is the resource, network is the resource. So like multiple resources are there. But who offering these kind of cloud services? Those guys are called as cloud providers in the market. Cloud providers. So that's why Amazon is a one cloud provider. Microsoft is a one cloud provider. Google is a cloud provider. Oracle is a cloud provider. Right now, in the worldwide, 100 plus cloud providers are there. But unfortunately, these four guys are very good popular cloud providers. Okay. So like Amazon is a best cloud provider. Azure also good cloud provider. Google also good cloud provider. Even Oracle and Red Hat, Citrix, Dell Boomi, TCS. So multiple cloud providers in the market. But in the public cloud environment, these four guys are very popular. Okay. And the next important thing, cloud people will charge everything based on the what usage only. I mean, the charges completely depending on customer use case. I mean, customer usage. Just example, you are successfully created one Linux server. You run the server just 2 hours only. Then provider what says, my server cost per hour is the what 2 rupees. Then you will pay 4 rupees. You can use the what server continuously 2 hours. I mean, you need to pay for what you use. On-demand services is nothing but what? Just you are going for the what pricing, what you have been used. Got my point? For example, if you book a car, so the people will calculate depending on the distance only, based on your usage only. The charges depending on the what? Usage or not? Usage only. Same cloud computing charges also depending on the what customer uses. Every cloud provider will charge the what resources based on usage only. You are using 1 GB storage, they will charge for 1 GB only. You are using 10 GB storage, they will charge for 10 GB only. You run the server 28 hours, then you will charge for 28 hours only. Okay. So cloud computing meaning is the what? On-demand delivery services with pay as you go, but cloud charges based on the what customer usage only. Are you noted? But ultimately, customer anywhere in the world, so he will easily able to manage the what resources over the internet, because in front of you there is no infrastructure. In front of you, there is no resources. So Amazon offering the what these kind of services from the centric location of the data centers. Okay, those resources are Mumbai, US, UK, like different locations, but you are accessing from here only. Correct or not? They are offering services one centrally global locations only. So those locations are called as regions. What is that? Regions. But what is the region? What is the zones? I will tell you later. So here to understand about cloud computing. I think you got it. What is meant by cloud computing? So cloud computing meaning is the what? Simply IT rental based resources. I mean, you will go for rental based servers, you will go for rental based storage, you will go for rental based databases, you will go for rental based application licenses and everything. Are you noted? Then second point is, what are the benefits? I mean, sir, if I go cloud computing, my current project is running on-premises environment, like the servers, applications, everything running in my company premises environment, in the company environment only. I mean, in the private environment only. So if I migrate it to cloud computing, what will I get it? I mean, what kind of benefits I will get it? Then the cloud benefits, the first one is to reduce capital investments, to reduce massive investments. I mean, the another meaning of massive investments. So you want to maintain the physical servers. Yesterday I told you, you need to maintain a lot of infrastructure in front of you. Like space is required, the AC is required, power is required. I mean, lot of resources, lot of physical investments are required. But these investments are completely very expensive for the customers. 100% very expensive for the customers. But every customer looking for how to reduce investments. Even they want to run a good project and reducing the what? Expenses. Correct or not? So what is the solution? Cloud computing is the solution. I mean, with help of cloud computing, what is the first benefit? To reduce the what? Massive investments. Then second point is, customers doesn't, I mean, not consider only cost. They are consider the what? Other benefits also. I mean, cost is reducing, it is okay. But even is there any other benefits? Of course, if you run your physical infrastructure, that infrastructure is not extendable. That means not flexible. I mean, not elastic. The resources are what? Physical resources are not elastic. This is the top point in the cloud computing. Best example, sir, I have a one server. The server currently running with 100 GB storage, but already customers are used 100 GB. But backend engineer what to do? To increase the what? 100 GB to what? 200 GB storage. Then only they will store the what? Data. But is it possible to expand the what? Your physical hard disk of your physical servers? So people can increase the what? Storage means they will attach the what? One more separate hard disk only. We cannot increase existing hard disks. Correct or not? For example, your server running with 4 GB RAM. Just assume. Okay, 4 GB RAM is running. But currently application needs 6 GB RAM because it is a memory overflow issue is running. So can you increase your RAM size 4 GB to 8 GB or 12 GB? Is it physically? Again, you can add the what? Additional, buying the what? Additional RAMs physically and attach to what? Your servers. But you want to change these kind of resources in the environment, completely nonsense. I mean, to open the RAM, first shut down the server, open the CPUs, and like change the what? Your physical RAM. Even it is not guaranteed the old versions are supported to new versions or not. Correct or not? So the backend lot of nonsense is running physically. But cloud computing what says? My resources are elastic. Resources are the what? Elastic. Currently, your server running with 2 GB RAM. You are paying for the what? 2 GB resources only. But when will you increase 2 GB to 4 GB? Then charges are applicable for the what? 4 GB only. I mean, you are paying for what you used. But not only for that, the resources are elastic. Benefit is the what? Hey, within minute my resources are expandable. Within minute my resources are what? Elastic, scalable, and everything. So customers are happy or not? So without getting any application, how the resources backend to increase? Am I correct or not? So the second benefit is the cloud resources are elastic. I mean, depending on your workloads, you will increase or decrease your existing resources sizes, because all resources are running virtually. Virtual meaning is, for example, server running with 2 GB RAM, and the value is 2 GB in front of you is there. I mean, instead of 2, you can keep it the what 4, then save it. Then what happened? Server running with 4 GB. I mean, less than minute, you can change the what? Your existing resources. So cloud resources are the what? Elastic. And second, third important thing, cloud resources are 100% scalable. What is that? Scalable. I mean, the previously resizable capacity meaning is the engineer manually to change the what? Existing resources. Okay. But scalable meaning is the resources will up and down automatically according to what you conditions define. Scalable meaning, for example, Flipkart application, Amazon, Myntra, lot of applications are running nowadays. Just consider the word Flipkart is the what application. In the Flipkart application, currently running, okay, one server in India. So that server supports 10 crore people per day. I mean, that server capability, resources are the what? At a time, 10 crore people are connected. No worries, we are supported. But Flipkart has been announced. Okay, after 2 days, we are conducting big sale regarding festival. So flat 10% discount with what? Additional discount of your SBI or something ICICI credit cards. So some products will get the what? 50 to 70% discounts. But definitely these 10 crore people will increase to maybe 20 crore, maybe 30 crore, maybe 50 crore. Am I correct or not? So multiple people are connected the Flipkart application. But currently Flipkart running with what? Only few resources. That server supports to what? 10 crore people only. When the users are connected to more than 10 crore, the application will be down. Otherwise, the performance wise, it is getting slow. But scalable meaning is when the users are connected to application more than 10 crores, the one server will increase automatically 2 servers. I mean, the incoming distribution, I mean, incoming traffic is shared to multiple servers automatically. So engineer will define the what conditions. What kind of conditions? When the more users are connected, okay, 20 crore users are connected to this application, so it will create 2 servers. 50 crore people are connected to this application, it will back and support 5 servers. Automatically, it will create the what number of servers. Scalable meaning is the what? It will increase or decrease the cloud resources. I mean, backend compute resources automatically. The counting, I mean, it will counting amount of instances. Got my point? So this is the repeated interview question, difference between elastic and scalable. Elastic meaning is even both are increasing or decreasing sizes, but elastic manual process, scalable automation process. Automatic means scalable, manual means what? Elastic. Okay, now this is the third important thing. And fourth one is the resources are reliable. What is that? Reliable services, or maybe high available services. What is the meaning of high availability? For example, you have created one server or maybe 1 GB important data in AWS storage. But every day you are thinking about the backend cloud is corrupted. What about my data? Correct or not? Because you are not storing in your personal devices. You are stored the what data in the what other providers environment. So every day you are thinking about maybe my data is breached or somebody is accessing my data because it is online. And people are thinking about more security reasons. Okay, but AWS, not only AWS, every cloud provider maintain your data in multiple locations, automatically multiple locations. Even one location is corrupted, maybe something went wrong or disasters are happened. No worry about your data. Your data is safe on the what? Another availability zone. I mean another zone locations. So customer able to access the data from anywhere in the world. So that's why durability is high. And next, automatic updates. See, in the traditional infrastructure, for example, still in your mobile applications, every day we are getting application updates. But we are doing the what manual updates. Okay, any pending update is there ready. You are clicking the what download and update and finish the what updates. I mean, you are doing the what manual updates. But in the cloud computing advantage is, if you want any new updates, the backend people are automatically migrated to what your new versions. I mean, updates responsibilities not goes for you. The responsibility goes to cloud providers will take care of the what your entire resource. Got my point? So that's why nowadays in the market people are migrating resources into cloud platform. But don't think, sir, cloud platform is designed for only DevOps engineer. But people no idea about the cloud computing. But generally, one Python people also learn the cloud platform. One Java person also need the what cloud platform. One data science engineer people also need the cloud platform. Everyone needs the what cloud platform. But students cannot understand, hey, cloud computing is different, my Python is different. Cloud computing is different, my Java is different. No, even those applications, those databases, everything running in the organization on cloud platforms only. So cloud is a what? Not a technology. It is a platform. On the platform, you can run any kind of technology. Best example. Just now I told you. Flipkart. People are thinking about Flipkart means it is a one e-commerce application. Correct or not? It is a just platform only. On the platform, multiple sellers are there. People are selling the what products by using the what Flipkart platform only. Even you also selling the what product. So cloud computing also same like a one platform. On the platform, you can run any one technology. Got it? You can run Java, you can run .NET, you can run AI and run the ML, you can run the what? Any kind of technology. Okay, today A application is running on the AWS. Maybe A is expert, people will launch the what the new application of B on the same platform. Platform is there, but technologies will be changed on the platform. 3 years ago, iPhone 13 is there. It is a best product 3 years ago. Now 16 is the best product. Flipkart has been removed 13. They will launch the what 16. But platform is there or not? The same platform continuously running, but new products will be launching on the what platform. So platform never ended. Are you noted? So that's why cloud computing is a best platform for the what IT technologies. After learning cloud computing, you go for data science, you can go for Python, you can go for Java, everything it will accept. So for example, you are the Python developer. You don't know cloud computing. Then people are recruiting only as a Python developer only. But if you have a good knowledge on Python and AWS, hey, I am a cloud developer Python. I mean, you will be managed what Python and the what cloud platforms. Are you noted? But without cloud computing, we cannot manage. You are the pure Python developer. But if you, along with Python, cloud computing, you are eligible for both the roles. So think about cloud computing is not a technology, it is a just platform only. So on this platform, you are managing the what DevOps tools. Same way you can manage the what Python. Same way you can manage Java. Same way you can manage .NET. Everything you can manage. Are you noted? Next. Now, the next important thing, service models, cloud service models. So generally in the cloud computing, we have 3 service models, IaaS, PaaS, and it is called what? SAS. SASU, PASU, IAS. Okay, sir, how to describe service models in the cloud computing? I mean, people are not working on all service models. For example, you are the cloud engineer, you are the DevOps engineer. So your services are related to PASA, SASA, IAS. You are the developer. So developer related services are under which model? So you need to identify it. I mean, cloud computing, all services includes under these three models only. Even AWS offers 250 plus services, or Azure offers 200 services, or GCP offers multiple. Every service include under these three models only. Okay. The first one is the what? IaaS, infrastructure as a service. The meaning is, who is looking for rental based servers, rental based storages, rental based databases? Those guys are the what? Eligible under the what? IaaS. I mean, DevOps engineers, Linux administrators, network engineers, database engineers, almost engineer level people are mostly under the what? IaaS only, because IaaS is designed for infra. What are the services delivered in the form of infrastructure is nothing but IaaS. Are you noted? So your virtual servers, your storages, your databases, your compute resources, all are under the what? IaaS model. This is the first point. And what about the second one? PaaS, platform as a service. So name lo undi, platform as a service. What is the meaning? I mean, in traditional infrastructure, just think about one Linux administrator or one system engineer need to provide the what? Good environment for the developers. Best example, you guys are all are the developers who are sitting in front of me. Just think about you guys are the what? Developers. Okay. What is your role every day? Java developer means you can write the what? Java code, and you can design the what? Applications related to what? Source code. That is your responsibility. But creating Java environment, installing operating systems, setting networks, and these kind of responsibility goes to backend administrator, because you don't know. Your role is not designed environment. Your role is what? Just writing the programs and deploying the applications. Correct or not? Then, so for just think about, I am the administrator in the company. So you guys are the what? Almost 10 people are there. So I definitely provide the what? 10 systems for you. But each system must be running with what? Java application. Then only you will write a what? Code. Correct or not? But I will take the what? Installation of first system. I will take the what? Installation of second system. I will take the what? Installation of third system. So like each system needs 1 hour time. For creating 10 environments, 10 hours time is required. So here the time waste process is 10 hours. Even my side is the role okay. But these 10 hours, developers will not work on the what? Computers. Time waste for the developers. Even that's why when the environment is not ready, people are not delivering the applications to customers very fast and quickly. You are not delivering because environment is not there. How can you design your application? Correct or not? So PaaS what says, why need to waste your time for creating environment? We are offering ready-made templates. We are offering ready-made environments. So list of environments are there, like in the cloud computing, like Java, .NET, AngularJS, Node.js, Python, all platforms are there. So AWS people what to do? Which platform you want? Java or .NET? Select the platform, Java, next to finish. Your environment is ready, including your database integrations, your variables, sparks, and everything is ready. With single click, you will get the what? Complete environment. So that is the meaning of platform as a service. On the platform, you can write what? Your code. Your responsibility is the what? Just code writing. Your responsibility is the what? Just deploying the what? Application. But don't focus on backend infrastructure. The infrastructure take care of the what? Provider. I mean, people are offering the what? Continuous environment. Continuous environment. So now developers are very happy. They are doing the work very fastly and quickly. That's why customers are also happy. They are getting the work products very fastly and quickly. If people are providing good environment for you, then only you will build the application very fastly and quickly. Correct or not? So now PAS meaning is the what? People offering on-demand developer environments. Simple point. On-demand developer environment. Then what about SAS? For example, see, you have already completed Python training or Java training. Then you can grab the what environment. The same code you can write it here, but you need to understand how to grab the environment, how to deploy the what environment. But we cannot change the what code. Java code is same also, people can run here. But you will understand how to deploy, how to grab the environment on the cloud platform. Because so far you have been created code in your personal computers only. But now in the environment, you will be creating code on the what cloud computing. That's why if you understand the cloud platforms, then with both combinations, you will be very fast and getting people environment quickly. Are you noted? Next, SAS, software as a service. So software as a service meaning is, for example, just now I told you, you guys are the what developers, but company definitely buying the what the valid software licenses only. They are not using any pirated softwares. That miss definitely use the what license based softwares only. In earlier, in the traditional IT environment, people are buying the what licenses. Correct or not? Java licenses, .NET licenses, Oracle licenses, and everything. But software as a service, what says, why are you buying the what licenses directly? For example, if you buy the license, your project is 1 year, but after what 1 year, what can you do with your buying license? Because the project is currently Java. That's why you have purchased the what Java license. But next project is running on the .NET. Again, we need to buy the what .NET license. But what about your Java license? Yes or not? So cloud what says, don't buy the what licenses directly. Instead of buying, go for the what subscription basis. Go for the what? Subscription basis. That is the, I mean, way people nowadays getting the what streaming contents by using the what Hotstar, Netflix, haha, like how it is possible? All are people getting the what subscription instead of buying. But instead of buying, people are getting the what subscription means you also saving the what lot of money. Customer also save the what lot of money. Correct or not? So you want to watch this month very good movies on the Netflix. I will go for subscription only for this month. If you don't want next month, you can unsubscribe it. And again, if you like the what any other content, you can subscribe the what another month. Or some people are directly get the what subscription 1 year or 6 months or 3 months because tempting prices. 1 month you will go 150 rupees. 12 months if you go 1000 rupees. You are thinking about just saving the money. Customer back and side like it is companies are thinking about need to occupy the what multiple customers. Same way, PSAS meaning is the what the applications delivered over the internet with a subscription basis. Are you noted? So this SAS is completely designed for developers. So as a DevOps engineer or as a AWS engineer or any platform engineers, majorly 80% work on IaaS and PaaS. These two are the what? Our services. But some cases, depending on the customer requirement, people do on the what? SAS also. Are you noted? Right. These three are the what? Service models in the cloud computing. Then next one is the what? Deployment models. What are the deployment models in the cloud computing? The first one is public cloud. Second one is the what? Private cloud. And the third one is the what? Hybrid cloud. These three are the what? Deployments in the cloud. Sir, what exactly mean by deployment models? I mean, every day you are working on any third party environment then it is a public cloud. For example, you people are writing the code every day on the cloud platforms, not writing in your personal computers. You are logged in AWS cloud platform. Within the platform, you are writing the code. I mean, where exactly you are writing the code? On the cloud. Where exactly you are deploying the application? On the cloud. So, I mean, your workloads are running on the platform of third party. Then it is called what? Public. Everyone can access the what? Public. I mean, everyone can access the what? Resources of who are running publicly over the internet. But private meaning is on premises. The meaning is we cannot manage workloads on the cloud platform. People are managing the what? Workloads in the company environment. Are you noted? So when the resources running on any third party environment, then it is a public cloud. But actually these are the what perfect definitions about public and private. But everyone thinking about public, even employees also, what is public means? We are accessing resources over the internet. The resources not delivered over the internet, it is a private. Absolutely wrong definitions. Public meaning is the what? Okay, my resources running. For example, you have your data. Your data is storing in Google Drive now. But that Google Drive is your personal laptop data. I mean personal storage. I mean your occupied storage from the what? Third party environment. Then it is a public. Get my point? So every day we are creating servers, storages, database deployments on the what? AWS environment. So AWS is a third party for you. They are offering the what? The customer services over the internet. We are connecting and managing the what? On the AWS network environment only. Those resources, services not running in your company, not running in your laptop, not running in front of you. Then it is exactly public cloud. Noted? But what about the meaning of private cloud? The deployments owned and organized by, owned by an organization is nothing but private cloud. I mean, earlier, everything is running in front of you and everything is managed in your personal laptops only. Then it is called what? Private cloud. Where the data is not located any other party environment. Data is located in my laptop only. Then it is called what? Private. Everything is managed by an organization and hosted and operated by internally a company people. Then it is called what? Private cloud. Noted? But what about hybrid cloud? Guys, our AWS, Azure, Google, these guys are the what? Public cloud providers. Remember, public cloud providers means what? They're offering services over the internet. You guys are creating one account in the what? Environment and managing the what? Resources. That's why it is a public cloud. Correct or not? But what about hybrid cloud? Hybrid cloud is nothing but composition of public and private. I mean combination of public and private cloud environment. Again, hybrid environments are more flexible for the customers. Even the modern IT infrastructure is completely hybrid deployments only. Best example I will tell you. Every day, people are taking the what? Snapshots, screenshots, taking different photos by using your phones. Correct or not? But you know the backend storage. Storing the data in the backend, two ways are there. Some people are storing the data in the personal GB. Every phone running with 128 GB, 256 GB personal data, which is called what? Private storage. But some people are security reason, the same data storing in the what? Google Drive. If you take the screenshot, the photo will be automatically synced to what? Google Drive. Taking screenshot is the private and storing the data is the public. This combination is called as hybrid. In the environment, people are doing the what? Work on the what? Applications running in the company, but people are storing the data in the what? Backend is the what? Providers network. Your data in the cloud environment, people are storing the what? Data in the cloud platforms, but you are doing the work in the what? In your local platforms. So in these two combinations are called as what? hybrid. Even no need this much explanation. Now in the market, hybrid work model. People are doing the what 3 days work from home, 3 days is the what office. Hybrid model. People are technically hybrid model. So hybrid model is nothing but what combination of public and private. Correct or not? Right. So these are the what cloud deployment models. Okay. So these are the what just idea about cloud computing. You want to learn Azure, you want to learn GCP or any cloud platform. First, what about cloud computing? What are the benefits? What about deployment models? What are the service models? Every engineer or developer need to understand this kind of stuff. Next, coming to the point, we are looking for AWS. That's why we are going to discuss about AWS only. You are looking for Azure cloud, then Azure. You are looking for GCP cloud, then we'll go for the what GCP. So now we are looking for AWS cloud. That's why we are talking about AWS cloud. So now simple point is, what is meant by AWS? Sir, Amazon Web Services is a one secure cloud service platform. It is a what? One secure cloud service platform. That platform offers multiple services for the customers. How can you describe what about Flipkart? Sir, Flipkart is a one e-commerce application. That platform offers multiple products for the customers. What kind of products or services? They are offering mobiles, they are offering grocery, they are offering insurance, they are offering the multiple services. So same way, AWS also offers multiple services for the customers. But what kind of services? IT services are offered. Remember this point. Flipkart offers just e-commerce products, but this platform offers IT services. Noted? Okay. Amazon offers what kind of services? I mean, let me open my dashboard here. So this is my AWS dashboard. Okay. I will tell you how to create the account. But already I have logged in my AWS account. In the left corner, see 9 dots are there. If you click on the 9 dots, these are the what all services. What are that? Analytics services, application integration services, blockchain services, business applications, cloud financial management, compute, container, database, developer tools, end user, front-end web applications, game development, Internet of Things, machine learning, management and governance, and media services. So not only one, see this, and migration services, networking services, quantum technologies, robotic services, satellite services, security services, identity, and finally storage services. I mean, every software engineer services are available in this list. You are the tester, you can select the what are the tester related services from this list. You are the data analytics person, so now you can choose the what analytics related services what are from here. You are looking for DevOps engineer. Sir, what services we need for the DevOps? So all IT services are available, but it's not guaranteed, sir, the same services continuously running in the future. Maybe people will introduce new technologies. The new technologies list is available here. Will increase or decrease number of services based on what customer demand. Okay, so in earlier Flipkart just running the what only few services, mobiles and like a few things only. But now insurance has been launched, grocery is launched, there are number of services day by day, they have been launched. Correct or not? So this is need to explain 2 points. Guys, actually Amazon is a one cloud provider. That provider offers IT services with on-demand. Enough. If they are asking what kind of services are offered by AWS means, hey, server, storage, database, networking, gaming service, push messaging, robotic services, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So analytics services, correct or not? So multiple services, right now 250 plus services are offered by AWS. But you want to become an architect of AWS. You want to become a good DevOps engineer. You want to become a good cloud solution architect engineer. Minimum 15 to 20 services are required. So those 15 or 20 services I will take the what every day your 1 hour lecture. So we don't cover the what all services, no need for all. Only DevOps related services, cloud engineer level services only we require. So those services I will take every day 1 hour sessions. Okay, 1 week we will discuss about servers, 1 week we will discuss about storage, 1 week we will discuss about database, 1 week we will discuss about networking, 1 week we will discuss about monitoring services, 1 week we will discuss about deployments. Once all domains are completed related to engineer or a system administrator or DevOps, so people are happy, people are ready for the roll off. So I am a good engineer of AWS. I am eligible for the what engineer role because I have a good knowledge on the what engineer level services. Got my point? Right. And next, the second important thing, AWS worldwide maintain some regions and availability zones. Just now I told you the resources are replicated to multiple locations, but each location maintain multiple zones. What is mean by zone? What is mean by region? A region is a one geographic physical location. Region is the what? One geographic physical location. I mean in the worldwide, Amazon to choose multiple regions. What are the regions? Mumbai is the region India. Hyderabad is the region in India. US, UK, like it is called what? Multiple regions in the worldwide. Right now, 25 or 26 plus regions in the world. But in the worldwide, 150 plus countries are there, but they are selected only few regions of 20 or 25 only. For example, BMW car is there. Okay, just assume. So in India, what is the priority of BMW? What about in Hyderabad? Only maybe one or two locations, especially those locations also maybe in the Jubilee Hills, Banjara Hills, that kind of locations. But why people don't launch the what? The same branches in the what? Visakhapatnam or maybe it is called what? Nalgonda or other things. Customers not prefer to what that locate that particular cause. Same way, why people are choosing the what regions in the world who are looking for cloud computing, where exactly the IT is there. So those people are created the what regions or zones in the what IT located areas. Okay, so people can create the what services in the nearest region. Got my point? So they are selected the what multiple regions. Each region maintain the what zones. Every zone contains the what customer services. Every zone contains the what? Customer services. Finally, customer ability to launch virtual servers, ability to launch storage, ability to launch databases. Everything can the what? On public cloud platforms. Are you noted? So where is the regions and zones? For example, the regions and zones, everything in the what right corner, see this. So currently, what are the regions? Virginia, Ohio, California, Oregon, Asia Pacific, Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul, like it is called what? These are all other what? Available regions right now. Okay. So for example, if I select the what Virginia region, then what is the meaning here, Virginia region? Okay, I'm currently choose the what? The region of Virginia. If I create storage, if I create database, if I create server on this dashboard, my resources are created in the region of Virginia only. I mean, my resources running in the Virginia region. For example, people are selected even multiple region of Mumbai, for example. So now first everyone to keep the what one region as a default. Okay. So after selecting the region, then we will start the what creating resources. Okay, then your resources running within the region only. But for example, you created one server in the what Mumbai region. That server not visible in any other regions. So services are the what region based. Services are the what region based. I mean, you will continuously working on the what only one region. But before creating, you can select the what your right region. So customers how to select the what right region means they will select the what nearest regions. Even customer can ability to launch in anywhere in the region. All regions you can select it, but one is default. Okay, sir, currently I'm sitting in India. So can I select the what Osaka means world? It is not good idea. You can select the what India region. What is the reason mean? To reduce latency. To reduce the what? Latency. I mean, your customer input from the what India means, if you select the what Mumbai is a region, then resources will be created very fast and quickly. But even in the internet, the system will consider the what distance also. If you click on the what request from the India, you are able to launch the what resources in the N Virginia. Compared to Mumbai, N Virginia is a distance or not? So you want to launch the resources, then you can select the what in your nearest region only. So US people can select the what those kind of region. India people can select the what your nearest regions. So China people can select the what China nearest region. So everywhere multiple regions are there. Every customer to select the what nearest region to reduce the what latency. Are you noted? Right? So this is the what just idea about cloud computing. I mean, you want to manage these practicals. I mean, sir, creating virtual servers, creating databases or anything. Students, please make it one AWS account first. What is that? One AWS account. So Amazon Web Services offers 12 months free tier account. I mean, you know, multiple applications in your mobile. So people are offering even content free trial versions with 1 day, 1 week, 1 month also. Correct or not? Testing ఇస్తున్నారా లేదా? So people are offering the what trail versions. Correct or not? So if you go for Netflix, 1 month free trial is there. If you like the content, you can subscribe and watch the what content. Same way, AWS not offering 1 week or 1 month. Those people are offering 1 year free services. Okay, so students are eligible, even customers also eligible to launch the what services continuously with 1 year. But within the 1 year free services, we have some limitations. Everyone know that Google Drive is the what free space. But how to, I mean, how much space is free? Up to 15 GB only we are getting. But if you cross 15 GB, people are asking buy a storage. Okay. Same way here, for running production application companies related, they are offering unlimited resources. For testing purpose, even with less limitations are enough or not. So AWS free tier is the what? Even good sufficient for the students. The servers are 1 GB RAM, 1 core CPU, 30 GB free space. So like all resources are almost free, but every resource running with a limitation. AWS offers unlimited storage for the customers who are buying, but students will use up to 30 GB free. So Linux servers are even server is available 4 terabyte RAM also. So just feel about your mobile is running with 8 GB RAM. What about your feeling? Hey, my mobile is running very perfect. Back and 8 GB RAM is there. But the same mobile running with 1 GB or 2 GB, what about your feel? But you can think about one server running with 4 terabyte RAM also in the AWS. 4 terabyte RAM means it is nothing but what? 4000 GB RAM. But who will use that much of RAM storages means e-commerce people, complex application balancing purpose, more RAM, more CPUs are required. But we are not running that kind of applications in the practical level. I mean, the training period, just how to launch the servers, how to connect the servers, this kind of stuff is enough. That's why they are offering the free trial, just 1 GB RAM and 1 CPUs are the what sufficient for the students. Got my point? So internet storage unlimited free, but people can use the what 5 GB. Okay, so multiple services almost free within the what free time, but every service with what limitations. But if you cross your limitations, so people will charge it. If you don't cross your limitation, your 12 months billing is 0 only. But in the classroom, everything I will explain. I mean, what are the paid services are there? That time I will tell you, and don't do that. That paid services. I'm not explaining any paid services. Always that service is free only. Don't ask me again, sir, is it free or paid? Okay. So because 95% services are what? Free only, but 5% resources are the paid only. So every time 95% these are the free, 3 are the free. I mean, ila explain chese badalu just 5% what are the paid services. If I explain, you will get it. Oh, remaining all are the free. These are the only paid services. Correct or not? So today people what to do? Create your 12 months free tier account. So you want to create an account, you will go for aws.amazon.com website. This is the word create account option is there. The account creation also easy. How people to make it, one Gmail account, one Facebook account, one like it is called what Instagram account. Same steps are here, just 5 or 6 only. But within the 5 or 6 steps, one extra step is there, which includes the what paying. I mean, it is called what credit card or debit card details. But they are asking for security reason only, but only they will charge 2 rupees from your account, 2 rupees from your account. But even don't worry about your 2 rupees. Within 48 hours, again credit to your account. Security reason, they will charge you only 2 rupees. But within 48 hours, again they'll refund the what? Your 2 rupees. Don't worry about your 2 rupees. Okay. So this is the steps how to create a what? Account. But already I have an account. For creating account, one Gmail account is required. One Gmail account is required. If I click on this tab, already I have logged in the what account, the page is redirected to here. See this? Again, the page redirected to here. But you will get the what steps here like this. See this. What kind of steps in the what AWS account? Let me show you. So these are the what 5 or 6 steps, guys. So just follow these steps. The first one is create your account. I mean, you need to provide the what email ID and password for the account. I mean, don't keep the what your Gmail password here. Gmail ID as a username. That username password, you will keep it here, confirmation password and second time password. Once password is, I mean, with help of your email ID and password, you will log in your AWS account. Then step 2, it will ask the what business account or personal account. Companies will choose the what business account. Students will select the what personal account. Okay. Within the personal account, you will provide the what your full name, your phone number, your address, and your PAN card details and all. I mean your personal details. So please add the what your personal details like a postal code address. Okay. And the third step is it is asking the what billing details. So Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, these kind of cards are accepted. Rupee card also accepted. Okay. But Microsoft Azure, Google Clouds are accept only credit cards. But Amazon accept debit cards also. And once card details are added, then we can add the what? Sign up for AWS account, personal use purpose, individual account, PAN card details, your date of birth and the permanent address number. All are ready. Then it will the what mobile number. So mobile number for the what OTP. I mean any issues in your AWS account. So AWS people interact with you by registered mobile numbers only. By using registered mobile numbers only. So now you need to provide the what mobile number and verify the what OTPs. Otherwise, people will write the what wrong numbers. So OTP verification is there. After verification of your mobile number, finally the system will ask select a support plan. I mean, are you doing with free tier account or developer support plan or business support plan? Everyone can select the what? It is called what basic of support free. It is a free tier. And finally, congratulations, your AWS account is successfully created. Once account is created, then go for the what same portal and you can log in the what AWS account. Then you will get your what like this. By default, here is the what billing details and everything it will open. By default, your billing open with what 0.00. But in that case, one advantage is there even on the AWS. but you are the student, you don't know. Some people are, I mean, you are taking the training, that's why we are doing the what practicals very well. Some people are for testing reason, they are tested all services, getting the what bill, because they have been crossed the what limitation. But AWS giving the what one best chance for the student. The first time billing, people will ignore up to 10,000 rupees. How much? 10,000 rupees. Unfortunately, you are created multiple AWS services. You got the month end billing bill is maybe 8,000 rupees. Then you will interact with what AWS support. I am a student, actually, I am a student. Just now I started the what learning of the AWS. So actually I got the what billing in the last month of 8,000 rupees. I don't know exactly how much is charged for these resources. So they will ignore the what 8,000 rupees immediately. They are giving the what instructions, please follow the what next time onwards, these instructions and follow the what under the what free tier limits. But second time onwards, people will not ignore the what your billing. But even no worries, your billing is more, you can suspend the account, you can recreate the what one more account. You are an Indian. Correct or not? So you can create multiple accounts, no issue. But every time you need to add the what one new email ID only. For creating new account, one new email ID is required. Remaining all details same, you can continue. Same card you can use it multiple times. Even I'm managing with single card since 2012. You can think it how many accounts are created. Correct or not? So better to continue with only one account. Please follow the what instructions only. But in the classroom, each and everything I will explain. Please follow the what my instructions. So once you will get your good knowledge in the AWS, then we will do the what your more ways. But until, please follow the what my instructions only. Okay, now? So this is the what overall introduction about AWS. So now you got it. What is the AWS? What is meant by cloud computing? So a simple thing, a cloud computing is a rental based services. అంటే మనకు అర్థం అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి అలా చెప్తున్నా, బట్ డోంట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ వే. Okay, on demand delivery services for the IT companies. Okay, so we are an engineers, we will manage the what much infrastructure level services in the what platform of AWS. Okay, so Monday we will start the what the first service of the AWS EC2. I mean, we will start how to managing the what virtual servers. Before starting the what services, even let me explain the what some other important things. What are the services under the what AWS and what is the roadmap of AWS? I mean, you are all are the students. Sir, how can I start the what AWS? Is there any roadmap for learning of AWS? I will explain the what roadmap on the Monday. Okay. So any queries? Online people, do you have any queries? Yes.
So are you teaching Terraform completely or some basic tasks?
No. I will teach the what Terraform associate level certification training completely.
Okay, so when it will start, sir?
I mean, Monday will start the what AWS. Terraform is the what automation tool for deploying cloud infrastructure. So if you understand the what complete AWS platform, then only Terraform.
Okay.
Are you noted?
Yes,
Terraform
yes.
is an automation tool for cloud computing. People idea about cloud computing, then only Terraform. So first 45 days or 2 months, I will explain the what complete AWS solution architect. After that, I will start the what Terraform.
Okay, sir.
So every day, your class time is 10 to 11 o'clock. Classes will be Monday to Friday only. Note this point. Classes will be Monday to Friday only. Saturday, we will get the what mock test, what you have been completed from Monday to Friday. And every week or 2 weeks, you will get the what 10 to 15 interview questions on the completed syllabus. Okay, so daily 1 hour I will cover the what AWS syllabus, and after 10 days I will start the what another hour for the DevOps. I mean, after 10 days, students will spend the what 2 hours time. But who is looking for only AWS? Those people will continue 10 to 11 only. But who is looking for AWS along with DevOps? People will spend the what 11 to 12 also after 10 days. So the WhatsApp group is already created, and online people who are interested, and please ping me. So this is my number 9848363431. You will get the what? Recorded videos. Students, please remember, every student will get the what? Live recorded sessions. I mean, today the first class has been completed now. So students, end of the day, you will get the what? The same class recorded sessions. That's why every class is running off classroom and online training. So even all people are eligible for classroom and also online. So who are running online, who are running in the classroom in front of me, everyone will get the what? Live recorded sessions. And everyone will get the what? PDFs. All are eligible for online, all are eligible for classroom. You are interested in classroom, come and join. You are interested to join online, you can join the what? Online. Okay, na? So online people, I mean, not only online and classroom. So who are not joined still in the WhatsApp group,